Alright. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Itzy and
Erick.
so right now we are in harbor of Gili Trawangan. So I'm with them. This is very nice for me. So in this video, I will ask them about the Gili Trawangan because they have been here for this before. So maybe could you tell us about your review about Gili Trawangan? Maybe about the atmosphere of Gili Trawangan and also for your recommendation and like what you do, what have you did before? Yeah.
With the accommodation we're staying at Maoni Guest House is really good. It's run by 3 young guys and they're really doing a great job. They're like very happy when you come. Hello guys, how are you? And yeah, they're really nice. And, they have happy hours, cheap drinks, really good breakfast, also cheap. Yeah, that's good for us because we're Dutch and we like cheap things.
Yeah, I see.
Yes. And, yeah, it's pretty cool. We went snorkeling on the island, we saw the turtles.
Big turtle?
Yeah. And so we were just swimming, and I think there were 5 or 6 just next to us. It was really mind blowing. It was awesome.
Oh yeah.
For us, that's not normal to such wild animals in nature because we have fish in the sea, but that's it. Oh, we have seals, but they always stay very far away from you, and they're very tame, so they come where you are.
They come to you.
Yeah.
Wow, that is very nice. So have you taken a picture?
Yeah. With the GoPro.
GoPro, wow, that is very nice. So how about for the next? Because you have been here and you know about Gili Trawangan. So for the next, do you have a plan to come here, or like do you want to recommend Gili Trawangan to your friends or to your family?
Yes, I would because it's a very chill island. You just relax and
Traffic. Yeah, no population here. Yeah, that is very sad.
That's very nice, the island. It's especially cool that you can just ride your bike everywhere. You don't get hit over like and the other islands. It's always so crowded. We were in Bandung and Java. And it was like you couldn't walk.
Yeah.
It's like people almost run you over.
Yeah, you're right. But so here also there is the horse cart. So when you go to your hotel, you go by horse?
No.
Walk. But it is, but it's more get fast than we go. We take the horse cart, right? Yeah, it's better we walk foot. Yeah. So how about the Indonesian food? You tried it?
Yes. Gado is the best. But I like it more with chicken because tofu is not really my thing. I just ask them to put chicken in it and they do it. So that's I think my favorite dish in Indonesia.
Oh, I see. Good. So do you like spicy?
A little bit.
Because in your country you don't find it.
Sometimes we eat spicy, but
But not spicy. No, not spicy. That's nice. So after this we'll go to the yeah. So what will you do there?
I don't know, there is a full moon party there.
Party?
Yeah.
Party.
Yeah, just now one day party and the rest is meet some new people and
Of
fun
course.
stuff.
That is very nice and a good experience if you meet like new people like me and you. So I'm very, it's like maybe after I go home and I'm doing that, I have always experience because I miss you. New people and new story. So, Erick, what activity you say?
We don't know.
Oh,
we don't plan ahead so much. So it's like if we go there, we make a reservation.
okay. about Nias Island. Yeah, maybe if you have like have a plan to visit again Indonesia, please don't forget to come to Nias Island because Nias Island is very nice, with nice landscape, and also you will see the attraction, the special attraction from Nias Island like stone jumping. So this is special for young boy if they want to get married, so they have to jump 2 meters of the stone. So yeah.
We can go to your hotel.
Oh yes, of course. That is my big dream. In the future, yeah, my big dreams I have to be a developer of tourism, and of course I have prepared the accommodation, and of course I will remember you. Yes. Because you have video on my YouTube channel.
Yes. Just say, look, there will be.
Oh, alright. Yeah, just I will give you the link, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, and also comment. Yeah, maybe alright, guys. That is our talking today. Yeah, maybe in the future if we will meet again, yeah, we will make a vlog. Alright, yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, bye. Okay, let's see.